Slight Admiral Kathryn Chainway. Minus the chain, unfortunately. Hopefully, another time.
3, 2,
Right now.
1. Begin.
Let's go. Here comes Chainway. Oh! And the goose gets slammed into the wall. That's phenomenal. Along with the hamster.
Okay, I'll stick right 10 minute break.
Yep. Honk has come back to the centre, and this comes aggressively coming out of the corner. Oh! There in the belt from Honk. That means it's down to 3-wheel drive now. It is not. But it comes they're devastating. That's an aggressive packing from the goose. The pit has been hit. The pit goes down. And now the goose wants violence. The packing is. Oh! Yeah, the devastating packing coming down from the goose. He's been told to release.
He's sweaty bastard.
And again, here comes the packing teeth again. Blow after blow. Have you ever seen such aggressive fouls?
He's had enough.
Stop talking already then. Here comes the goose again. Oh, that is one very it's like someone just no answer for this. Now what is that horrible? There's a horrible screaming noise coming from Slice Admiral.
Is that count? We do that.
Oh no, that is not a happy sounding robot.
Take them again.
If someone said the engineering, that thing's going to have an overload, I think. There's a call for the robots behind his hands, he's really in the pit. There is Hamster's in the corner. And a couple more aggressive checks in there for good measure.
I can't.
Now, I think it might be a formality at this point, but I've got to do it anyway.
Oh, sorry,
So,
hamster.
if we think the winner was Slice Admiral Kathryn Chainway in the blue with the wedges, makes a noise. If we think it was Honk, the goose robot, makes a noise. I would give that win to the goose. Well done, Honk.